Hey everyone, welcome to futuretech.ai. I'm Jitender and I'm thrilled to have you here. If you're passionate about artificial intelligence, eager to see how AI is shaping our world, or looking to enhance your skills with the latest AI tools, you're in the right place. So, who am I? By day, I'm a software engineer at Salesforce, specializing in AI and Salesforce Agent Force. I work hands on with cutting edge AI technology, creating intelligent solutions that transform business operations. Now, I want to share that knowledge with you. Here on futuretech.ai, we'll dive into three main areas. First, AI education. I'll simplify complex AI concepts into easy to understand lessons. Whether you're a beginner or looking to deepen your knowledge, I've got you covered. Second, AI awareness. We'll examine how AI impacts various industries, discuss opportunities and challenges, and keep you informed about the ongoing young AI revolution. And third, AI tools. I'll introduce you to the best AI tools, show you how to use them effectively, and demonstrate how they can boost your productivity. Whether you're a developer, a business professional, or just curious about AI, my mission is clear: to demystify AI and make it accessible to everyone. No jargon, no gatekeeping, just practical insights from someone in the field of AI development. If that sounds good to you, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our content. Curious? Drop a comment below and let me know what AI topics you're most interested in learning about. Let's explore the future of technology together. Welcome to Future Tech Day I.